Good morning, students. You are most welcome to the language class. Today we will read chapter 16, present continuous and past continuous. Let us revise the last chapter, chapter 15, that is simple present and simple past. We use simple present tense to talk about routine actions, that means the work we do every day, and the facts. Facts means that cannot be changed. Routine actions, we brush our teeth every day, and fact is the sun rises in the east. Next, we are going to start this chapter, present continuous and past continuous. Any action that continues for some time is said to be continuous. The action may be in the present or in the past. That means the work that continues for some time, and we are saying that it will be continuous. Okay? And it may be in present or past. Present continuous means whatever is going now, and past continuous means that was happening at that time. Any action that continues for some time is said to be continuous. Examples: the sun is rising. It was raining when we were playing cricket. Did you notice that the continuous forms ends with ing? See, the sun is rising. Rising means rise plus ing, rising. It was raining, rain, rain is the verb and ing is added to that. It was raining. When we were playing, play plus ing. So continuous form, we use ing. We add ing with the verb. Next, read the text below and underline the continuous actions. It is a hot Sunday afternoon. The sun is shining fiercely. Is shining. Underline. Shohal's family members are all indoors. His mother is surfing. The internet is surfing. Underline it. She is searching for a holiday resort. Is searching. Underline it. His father is watching a movie. Is watching. Underline it. Sohail is moving between the TV and the computer. Is moving. Yesterday morning, Sohail's uncle called. At that time, his mother was cooking and his father was taking a shower. See here, underline was cooking, was taking. Sohail was drawing a picture, was drawing. See, at first it is hot Sunday, it is in present continuous. But yesterday the work was completed, but we are telling now. Then also we are using the verb plus ing form, but we are using the past form of helping verb, like was cooking, was taking, was drawing. So when we will talk about the past, then we will use the past continuous. He received the call. Received. It is the past form of receive. Uncle said, we are coming to your place in a while. See, it is in the inverted comma. Inverted comma, that means it is stating the original statement which was told by the uncle. Uncle said, we are coming. It is in the present continuous form, are coming, but showing the past action. Sohail was very happy. He knew he was going to play with his cousin and have a good time. Was going. Okay? Next. So, Present continuous is used for any action that is happening at the moment and is incomplete. That means the work was started but not completed yet. It is going on. I am flying a kite. Okay, for actions or situations we are thought to be of a shorter duration. That means within some time or within some days we will do that. It is a fixed plan. We use present continuous. What is your son doing now? The son is doing something now. He may not do it always. I am learning a new language now. Now, learning is a continuous process. It is not for one day or one week, isn't it? So, I am learning a new language now. That means it is a continuing for a long time. My mom is working in Bengaluru. Okay? To refer an activities and events that are fixed plans for the near future. We are leaving for Kurg tomorrow. It is a fixed plan. It will not change. Okay. Next. Write how the present continuous tense is being used in the sentence below. You can write the number 1, 2 or 3 as explained before. My sister is watching, but I am studying. Here she is watching and I am studying. Both are in present continuous. Okay. 1 second. Yes. I am preparing for my exams this week. What you have to do? My sister is watching TV, but I am studying. This is for action that is happening at the moment and is incomplete. Number 1. Next, I am preparing for my exams this week. This is the for action or situation which are thought to be of a short duration. My uncle is coming to dinner tonight. This one is number 2. Number B is number 3. Number A is number 1. Who are you writing to? This is for a number 1 because it is asking that now he is doing. We are not going on a vacation this Saturday as grandma isn't well. So this one is for action or situation which are thought to be of a shorter duration. Next, fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verbs bracket. I dash to the news. I am listening to the news. The train to Gulbarga dash from platform number 3. That means the train to Gulbarga is leaving. And the rest you will do by yourself. Next, past continuous. The past continuous is used in the following situations. An action that was continuous, that started and ended in the past. Okay. So, an action that was continuous, that is not now. It was already in the past. It was already happened, but we are started and ended in the past, but we are explaining now. Meena was cooking for hours yesterday. Yesterday he cooked for hours. So that was Meena was cooking for hours yesterday. We were shopping last Monday. 2 or more actions happening at the same time in the past. To explain this, we use past continuous. Sleeping and jogging. This afternoon I was sleeping and he was jogging. Amin was cleaning his room and his sister was singing. So, 2 works are going on at the same time. For that we use, but it is in the past only. that was already happened, we use the past continuous. One action continued, another started and finished in the middle of the first action. Jogging, saw an aeroplane. I was jogging in the park when I saw an aeroplane. I was typing a letter when the computer shut down. So, past continuous is used to state an action that was continuous, that started and ended in the past. Two or more actions happening at the same time in the past. One action continuing, another started and finished in the middle of the first action. For these things, we use past continuous. Next, based on the explanation above, identify the type of action happening in each sentence. I was getting ready for the concert when my friend called. It was two or more actions happening at the same in the past. What are you doing last evening? It was an action that was continuous and that started and ended in the past. So you will do by yourself this one. Fill in the blanks. I dash take a shower at 8 o'clock and dash. I was taking a shower at 8 o'clock and was singing. I was meeting her while she was shopping. Rest you will do by yourself. Given below the is the commentary of a football match. Fill in the blanks using the present continuous or the simple present form verbs. Pablo dash up to tackle Adriano. Pablo is coming up to tackle Adriano. Sasa runs along the sideline. Like this, you have to complete it. Complete it and complete it in the book only. Next one, the passage below describes that the members of a family were doing one Saturday afternoon. This was also you will do by yourself. You have to use the past simple past and the past continuous. Okay. Now let's learn. We will learn how negative structures are made with the continuous form. We have to make negative. I am not or was not reading. Am not is in present continuous, was not is in past continuous. He, we, you, they are not or are not in present and were not in past. Visiting friends. So subject, helping verb, am is are for present tense, was were for past tense, plus verb plus ing plus object. He, she, it is not or was not working. People are not, were not doing anything. This is how questions are made out of present continuous and past continuous tenses. You have to bring the helping verbs in front. Am I sleeping? In the present continuous form question. Was I sleeping? Past continuous form questions. Okay. Next, you have to read the sentences below, then frame a negative sentence and a question for each one. One is done for you. I am discussing number two. Asim is cycling on the pavement. That first we have to make it negative. Asim is not cycling on the pavement. Next, is Asim cycling on the pavement? Vishu and Susri are playing. Are Vishu and Susri playing? This is in question. And negative is Vishu and Susri are not playing. Okay? So rest you do by yourself. Read the chapter. If you have any problem, we will discuss it in the live class. Okay? Do the exercises. Let's practice in the book only. So till the next class, goodbye. Have a nice time.